Disturb your neighbor? No. She's a lawyer. So this is the National Museum of Unity, and this is the curator of this museum. So it's the one that will take us around and explain everything that needs to be explained. Please let your neighbor know.
Especially wherever you the National Museum of Unity. Let me give you a little update on what we have here. This is Nigeria in one place, Igbo in one place, and then Enugu in one place. The idea of a National Museum of Unity came up immediately after the Civil War. The federal government wanted an avenue where an integration of the various groups would be possible. And so experts in culture advised the government on establishing a Museum of National Unity.
Shout, tomorrow is here! Our tomorrow is here! Thank you.
This is National Museum of Unity. In Nigeria, we're supposed to have 3 National Museum of Unity, but one is not yet completed. Only 2 are. After the Civil War, that the one decided, let us build Unity Gallery, because from the west, Christianity came, then from the north, Islam came. So, but before Islam came and before Christianity came, the whole ethnic groups believed in one thing. We have the same belief system before these 2 came. What is parting us apart is like religion.
We don't know whether you are going to. I don't know.
You just enter the vehicle, enjoy yourself, relax.
I can't. I want this white one. Now give to it. Now dash it and dash you. This stuff now. My wife, I'm here.
Boy, Tolu.
Then when we are done, we can now go like this and come back. Okay. We also had some sound.
Oh my God. You think no one is saint like you?
Just many open bar like cars.
You will not see one always at the back.
Yeah, it's me, pilot 5, pilot 5, pilot star.
Don't stop me.
Hi. Welcome. 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 Hi. Welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome. Yeah, welcome.
We are enchanting.
Welcome. Hello?
So that is the one.
So was this the link between East and Northern Nigeria before this road? Or
Yes,
there's
that
another?
is the only road with
This
which
one?
the North come into Enugu.
This one, this road,
Which everybody come into Enugu. This road. Yes.
like this?
Yes. But then this lock up was not there then. And you can see that time a lot of vehicles inside this place. But immediately they constructed this one in 1998. And this one now got more government attention.
So this was the only road to Northern Nigeria?
That was the only road with which the North will come into the East, especially at Enugu. Even to go to Port Harcourt, this is the only road, unless you go through Onitsha. But if you want to go through Port Harcourt through Enugu, you must pass here then. So this was the
how
only road.
secured is this road? How
No,
secure?
well, for now, it's perfectly very secure. But it is a tourist attraction. No tourist comes into Enugu without coming here. In fact, you can watch them on Nollywood movies.
When you Google Milky Hill, you will see it from up. You see how it is.
You see the area view.
The area view.
Future is.
I'm just telling you where the markings are. Thank you.
You see, it's not far. No, it's not. It's not.
Thank you.
Are we trekking there? Huh?
It's not far.
It's not far.
Yeah, it's trackable.
Yeah. The waterfall is there. Yeah.
It's lovely.
You may not need to take drugs.
Okay, remove your shoes.
You have to remove your
I don't
shoes.
want something to shoot my leg. I'm not removing anything. Except you are wearing it. Sacrifice day here.
Jesus is the ultimate sacrifice.
Oh, I don't even see him, so.
So who knows where we're going to now?
So
So it falls from here.
yeah, so this is the entrance. to the
cave.
to the waterfall. No, the cave is actually the other side by the right. So this is the entrance.
Keep going, keep going.
So this is the entrance.
Here are the Ngwo.
Pine forest.
Pine
and
forest.
cave.
Eh?
Ngwo pine forest and waterfall.
And waterfall, Enugu.
Yes.
Ngwo pine forest. Here are Ngwo pine forest and waterfall, Enugu. I don't right, so are they the forest?
That will be there.
The place is dark. You need light.
We've come this far.
Another follow, yeah? Come on, come on. My brother. Okay. Okay. Yes. Okay. 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 Okay.
Patient, you are welcome.
Sorry, ma'am. You're on the way. You are on the way.
You can manage and welcome.
Wait, I'm coming first, please. Yeah. You can't. Wait. Are you coming?
Sorry, sorry. You can do it.
And then just go to your to feel the effect of the water.
Let's jump.
I'm going to get good balance.
Just stand on the road. Just stand on the road. I don't want to. You have to.
You don't want the water?
What is the essence?
Oh yeah, come up. So you can meet up. Any other person? Your leg in water. Waiting. You cannot avoid the water. No. Water is life.
Your phone.
Wait, let me go down and be bringing people down. Hold on. Let me jump down. Oh yeah?
The commissioner is fit.
Yes, pass one.
Careful, easy.
You don't go.
My legs.
What's wrong with your leg?
Ahmed.
Oh, you kaka. Hey, you don't get it. All the just
That camera. This is a very dangerous place for you to be filming. If I fall, now you catch it there.
you don't go for. Not today.
Oh yeah. Ask for blessing. Ask for blessing.
Commissioner, just give directive, let them do it.
And then when you do this, one spoon, another person puts fish. Put the fish. So we should finish one first. I think no, you can actually start here.
How about sharing? How do we share?
I'm eating careful. Yes, now. Jeez.
Is that something you think that's acceptable?
Well, I think let me not speak for them. Since they are all
Disposable cups. Disposable cups.
which is disposable cups. Have they given you? So you're enjoying?
Rita said,
This is the second time.
thank you, Jesus.
Thank you. No, you don't pick food.
For the first time, I'm from the north. Going to taste this. The first time you taste wine. I thought the first time you taste wine. Gbogbo kí ni màá mú wa sùn rẹ̀? Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni o.
Is this your first time?
Down to the waterfall for ease of movement. Yes, it's very important. And then we would have had rotundas around here, big and small rotundas around here. We thank His Excellency Dr. Peter Ndubisimba for believing in tourism and for knowing that after oil, tourism is the next. We thank him for making Enugu the hospitality and tourism hub. Welcome to Enugu, destination Enugu. Thank you.
Don't be putting this green that will not
Thank you.
What kind of meeting?
You don't know, I talk about that.
It's here.
Yeah, but it's very good view. 081.
Love you more.
Your number.